Hi everybody, it's 2:37 and 15 seconds. This is mini number 3 for Walking Dead number 1. Over here are the 33 filled spots. I'm going to go up and down one time. Alright, so what's going to happen in this one is whoever comes in first place gets to pick 5 spots in the main. After they pick, whoever comes in second place gets to pick 4 spots in the main. Then the third place person will get assigned the final 2 available spots in the main. Alright? For a total of 11. So let's do our 3 dice. Number is 7. And away we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And here's the final one. 7. Chris Hibbs is in first. Rusty Shupp is in second. John Maldonado in third. Chris, I'm going to contact you first. After Chris picks, I'll contact Rusty. And then, John, you will get the final 2 spots. Congratulations. Time is 2:38 and 23 seconds.